Hey everybody, today we are going to be making, or at least trying to make, little skeleton fairy Christmas ornaments on wood with moss behind them. For this project, I got these mini butterflies at Hobby Lobby, these mini skeletons at Spirit Halloween. Also, I'd like to mention a lot of my crafts are going to contain stuff from Spirit, or just stuff you can't get when it's not Halloween time. And you can definitely go on the Spirit website to find stuff, as well as Amazon or a lot of other things online. You'll be able to buy stuff year round. And then fake moss from the At Home store for $3.99. And then I got these little wood pieces for a different project, but I only needed one for that, so now I have some extras to do some other crafts with. And then, so I'm gonna try to make the fairy look a little dingy, so I have water, red and green paint to make brown, a paintbrush, and I also have some glue to glue things down. So that's E6000. I also have school glue, just to, I don't know, see what works best, I guess. So I think my first step is going to be gluing a butterfly to a skeleton. Oops. So I just ripped the stick out of it. Luckily this part's gonna be glued down. But anyways, I'm gonna let her dry and then we'll see where we're at. So she's been drying for a while. Not exactly what I was thinking of, but definitely not too bad. So I think I'm gonna try to dry brush it a little bit and see if that does anything. And honestly, I don't know if what I'm doing is dry brushing. I think I'm just making up stuff at this point, but I'm getting some paint on my brush and then I'm going like that to get some of that paint off of there so that it's not as harsh, I guess, like not as pigmented. So I think I really like how it turned out. I'm gonna let this dry and then we'll be back for gluing things to the actual ornament piece. So I think she's dry enough now. take some pieces of cardboard, stack them up to make a little stand, glue moss around that, and then put her on top of that so she'd be more like on top of the moss. So 2 chunks looks good, but I cut out 3 just in case. And I'm going to glue 1 piece of cardboard to the other. I'm gonna let the little cardboard piece dry. And I'm literally just using like clear school glue from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna let this dry because once it's dried, I'll see where I need to put more glue. I wanted to just glue her on there and call it a day, but I would like to make sure all the moss is glued down and everything before I glue her on. But I do have these little glass mushroom beads, so I was thinking that would be so cute. I'm gonna let all that dry and then we'll be on to the last step. Okay, so it's the next day now, so all the moss should definitely be dry. Okay, so now I'm gonna be gluing these 2 things on. So I think I am gonna use A6000 for this part just to make sure everything is on there very well. So now, if you're making this along with me, you're gonna wanna let it sit and dry. So we're done now. Obviously it needs to dry, but I'm not gonna stop filming, let it dry, and then come back for the outro. So, this is what your finished product will possibly look like. She might look different due to using different supplies or using a different technique to make it look decayed, I guess. Yeah, so of course yours might look slightly different. If you do make this though, please tag me on Instagram. My username is toxic_rot_jewelry. So same as here, just with underscores between the words. Please, please, please show me this on Instagram if you make it. I would love to see it. But make sure to like this video if you like weird, spooky Christmas ornaments. And comment down below if you are planning on making one of these. And subscribe to see more videos like this soon. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.